YouTube? So magpalit kitag brake master cylinder. So pinaka-importante ninyo dring tanawon guys before kayo magpalit ng bago is you have to check the inside of the brake booster diaphragm. You have to check if there is a brake fluid inside, and if you see that there is fluid inside, then that's not good. So that will complicate the operation of the brake booster, because inside here is like a big rubber thingy that will act as like a vacuum, no? So before you change, you have to check the inside of the brake booster, and if you see it's clear, like as you can see now, there looks like clear, no brake fluid or anything, nothing, and then that's the time you're gonna change with the new one. Like in here now, I'm gonna show you. So this is the brand new brake master cylinder, and then you have to before you do anything or you touch anything, you have to compare the rest of it, compare with the old one, if they have the same like inner inlet and outlet, okay, and the same as this operation here. So this is inlet and outlet, and in here is for the reservoir, okay, is the return, and then yeah, so you're gonna, the very most important thing, you're gonna check also the o-ring here. This is very very important guys, check the o-ring, okay. So we're gonna look around the old one. As you can see, it looks perfectly the same, like, no, yeah, and then we're gonna transfer this reservoir into the new one. So beforehand, we're gonna have to take it out. This is like, it's a flathead screwdriver here. We're gonna unscrew this thing, and this one here, it just pop right up. So here we're gonna unscrew this one. Look around if we can find a flathead, small flathead screwdriver. So we're gonna screw this thing here, okay. This is a flathead screwdriver, okay. As you can see, this thing out, it's very long, it's a very long plastic thingy. Okay, and then once you take it out, you have to wiggle it around.
All right, Chris, yeah?
Yeah. To wiggle this thing. So, to wiggle, and then once you have that, yeah, so just wiggle it around, and if you have the fry bar, then you can get fry bar here, right. Side. to very slowly here because you might break the damage the reservoir. So once it is up, like that, we're gonna have to this thing's very tricky. You have to come up together. I think that's out. Okay, so that's the thing in there. The only thing is we're gonna have to remove this O-ring gasket here and transfer it to the other side. The reason why we are doing this, changing the brake master cylinder, because here inside you have the O-ring and the O-ring is worn, so it has the internal bleeding, no? So it doesn't have pressure anymore, like, because it has a internal bleeding, like it's backfire as we speak. It's like kind of backfire, like, okay. So once you have this, transfer this one to the other side. Transfer this one here. I don't know, there's a new one, so that's no problem. There's no need to transfer because there is a new one already, and that's even better, even gooder. So if there is a new one, so we're gonna have to so position is like that. This hand is on the front of the bumper, and then push it down. Can push it down. We might have to clean this one first on the inside, but it looks like clean already. So we just transfer this one. We just pasain lang natin to. Just put some fluid on the thing, so it will just easily slide on. Okay. So here, like that. It's gonna push. Keep pushing. Push it until sit down. Once it sit down, don't forget this. Just kind of push it down like that. It's a lucky pin. It goes to here. Okay. And then once it's in, so in here we're gonna put some rubber grease in here, so it will just seal it. So let's clean it up around, and once we clean it down, this This is a rubber grease here. This will help sealing down the thing. Okay. Okay. Rubber grease that will help seal. So that is sealed. Okay, that's the rubber grease in there.